following segment is sponsored by Resilient Utah. I got a question for you. Can you learn how to recover quickly from difficulties? Well, Steve and Brittany James are here to tell us all about a campaign going on right now that's working to teach Utahns how to be more resilient. Welcome, Steve and Brittany. Thank you so much.
It's great to be here, David.
It's great to have you back on the show. We love having you. This month, the governor of Utah declared to be Resilient Utah Month.
That's right.
State declared. It's awesome, and that's why you guys are here to talk about it. Why is it so important?
You know, resilience is so important, especially when we've overcome challenges recently. If we can teach the kids that they can do difficult things and overcome challenges, I think that that's a great service we can give them.
And this is specifically targeted to the kids in the schools, all that you're doing with this program. Why is it important for the children?
When kids learn that they can overcome things, and that when parents bond with their children and teach them that they can have skills that can help them as they navigate through life, that's just what a wonderful gift we can give to those kids.
No, absolutely right. I agree with that. And Brittany, why do you think it's so important for families and schools to help build resilience for these kids?
It's so important because all parents want what's best for their kids, and so do the teachers. And this gives them the opportunity to not only teach them the skills, but to interact and grow with them as well.
Absolutely. And this great toolkit, there's easy ways that families can help build it. And you guys have some programs. You've got some resilience building toolkit. Tell me about the toolkit.
Right now, we have going out statewide through Utah PTA, through schools, a resilience building toolkit, which includes a half-hour children's show that is really exciting. It's called Something Good, Inc.
And you're the host of that, Brittany, is that right?
I am, yes.
Awesome. Excellent. And what is in this show? Something Good, Inc.
Something Good, Inc. Well, it's a series of music videos. But they're more than just music videos because they teach positive messages through music to kids. And then following each individual music video, you have questions and then challenges. And it gives the parents and teachers an opportunity to sit down with their kids and their students to be able to teach resilience and to build resilience in their kids.
Music is powerful. It's what feelings sound like. And I'm honored to be the ambassador for Resilience.
And that you are. We're honored to have you.
You wrote a great song, I Am Resilient. So go check that commercial out in that song. It's really powerful. And kids, they learn through those experiences, through that music. Is that right?
They do.
Awesome. Excellent. And you've got this commercial also for Something Good, Inc. that goes out. Tell me about that commercial.
It is just bringing up the toolkit and the Something Good, Inc. show, and we just hope that you guys like it.
That's awesome. We do love it, and we thank you guys for coming on for sure. We'd love to show this commercial. Where can we go before we do that for more information to get involved in Resilient Utah?
ResilientUtah.org.
Excellent. And this is a great spot that you put together. This is Resilient Building Toolkit. It's awesome. Check this out, you guys.
I am resilient.
Building resilience is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Visit resilientutah.org and click on the Resilience Building Toolkit for Families. Simply watch the Something Good, Inc. children's show. Review questions and challenges after each music video. Then discuss and set family and individual goals. We are Resilient Utah.
We are resilient.